In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted photos on Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted some photos on Facebook and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Click on download profile information. Then click on request a download. Click on next. Click on the second option that says select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted photos on Facebook, therefore all you have to do is to select this post option and then click on next. And after that click on submit request. And once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted photos will be sent to your email address, and all you have to do is to download that file and your deleted photos on Facebook will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.